Question number 3, part C, and it is very interesting this part, and that is x 1 by 5 that is equal to 7. If I have to omit this 5 from here, I have to apply the fifth power on both sides, that the fifth power will cancel the power, the whole power 5, like this. We'll apply the fifth power. Now applying fifth power on both sides. What does it mean? It means that we'll just do it like this. Power 5, we have applied fifth power, and 7 like this. So this will cancel this one. It will become x is equal to 7 times 5 times 7. 49, 49 and 7. So you have to multiply 49 with 49, and whatsoever will come over here, you will again multiply it by 7. So let me do it with calculator, and it will become 16807. Now it will become 16807. So dear students, we are at question number 3, part D. Part D. Part D is very interesting and very complex sort of question, but it is very easy. Don't be worried about it, that what we are going to do and how we are going to do. It is very simple. I'll make it for you in its very simpler form. You see, if I just bifurcate this 3 by 4, we can write this 3 by 4 in this way also. This is 3 and multiplied by 1 by 4. You can write it in this way also. So it is very easy to write it in this way: x minus 1, 3 multiplied by 1 by 4. And just find the factors of 64. 2, 3 times 2 times 2, 16 times 2, 8 times 2, 4 times 2, again 2 times, and 2 1 times. Notice that we have got 6 2's in a row: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what we need here is a cube. This is a great hint. So just pick up 1 2 from here and 1 2 from here, and then multiply the both. So it does mean that 4 multiplied by 3, we can write 64 to 4 multiplied 4 raised to power 3. 4 raised to power 3, you can check it. Okay, what is 4 raised to power 3? 4 raised to power 3 is this: 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. Hope no problem till now. Now follow my steps very carefully. Now this is 4. This is again a square number. So you can write it like this as well. Now this will help you somewhere in the later stage. Now we have come across two cubes. One cube is over here, one cube is over here. This is an optional step. This is an optional step. This whole is an optional step. This is uh, I wanted to do it for you to just get it, understand it more easily. So what we do now, we'll apply a cube root on both sides. We'll apply cube roots on both sides. Applying cube root on both sides. There are many ways of solving this question, but if you solve it in another way, this 64 will give you some problems. So to avoid any problems, I am just shrinking this question, first to 64 and then to 4 and then to 2. Just follow my points. Now when I say applying cube root on both sides, what does it mean? It means that the whole term, like this left hand side and right hand side, let me do it here, will be like this. Okay, so when it is like this, you can write even this thing. Now this is upon whole of this thing, so you can write this whole thing like this as well. Because whatsoever is written over here will come over here. So let us write the whole term in this way: x minus 1, 3 multiplied 1 by 4 multiplied 1 by 3. Now this is which we have written over here, applying cube root on both sides, and same over here, 2 square 3 multiplied by 1 3. I think my marker is exhausted. So you see that this 3 and this 3 are cancelling, this 3 and this 3 are cancelling. So what we have here is x minus 1, 1 by 4 and 2 square. Now, what does it mean? Now, it does mean like this. When we applied cube root on both sides, it became 1 by 3. Now it is 1 by 4. It means that it is the fourth root of this whole thing. It is the fourth root of this whole thing. So let us see that how it could have been written. It is like this. So it is the same thing. So what we do it now, we will apply fourth power. We will apply 4 as as index on both sides. You see what will happen now? It will become x minus 1, 1 by 4 multiplied by 4. We have raised the power to the power. We have raised power to the power. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 4. Now this will cancel this. What will become over here? X minus 1. X minus 1 is 2 raised to power 8. 2 raised to power 8, because it has cancelled and it has left it only one index. So we never write 1 as an index. So what is 2 raised to power 8? Now let me do it like this somewhere here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is 8, this is 8, and this is 2 twos are 4. Now these all dots represent 1, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Because we have 8 twos. 8, 2, 2 times 4. 4 twos are times 8. 2, 2 times 4. 4, 2 times 8, and 2, 2 times 8, 8, 64, and 64 multiplied 2 will give us 8 and 4 instead, not 2. Multiplied 4, 4 times 16, 24 and 25. Now the answer becomes x minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to 256. It is not ended as yet. Now this is minus. We will do it. We'll enumerate this one from here and bring like this. Now x is equal to 257. So dear students, you see that this was a long question, but I easily solved it. Rest of parts are very easy. E part is very easy. F is very easy. Let me take part G now. Part G, question number 3. Because time is running short and I have to finish the exercise. Minus 2x. 2 minus x is equal to, okay, let's proceed. Now this is minus. You can easily take it to like this. You take it into denominator and 1 upon 64. And you know that what we did in our last question, that we broken this and it will become 2 and 2. We have taken the same base now. But how? Again I have to write this whole thing. There are 6 twos in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what does it mean? 6. Now my dear, there is a formula or there is a law. Then when the bases are same, the powers, and there is an equal sign between them. Then and there is an equal sign between the two sides. Bases are same. Then ultimately the powers are same. That means if n raised to power m is equal to n raised to power x, n raised to power m is equal to n raised to power. Now you see the bases are same with an equal sign. So it means that the bases are same. Therefore x or m is equal to x. Same the case applies over here. then x is equal to 6 because we have to find the x. One more interesting question is coming up, and that is h. It is very interesting. 3x minus 1. Oh, and this is 81. Now we'll make the basis same again, like this. We'll make the basis same again. How? Just factorize 81. Now it is being divisible by 3 only now. 3, 2, it is not divisible by 2. 3 twos are and 7s are, and 3 9 times, and 3 3 times, and 3 1 time. Now you see, my dear students, that 4 threes are coming up in a row. 4 threes are coming up in a row. So what will happen over here? 3x minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power 4. Now we have made the basis same. That means, according to this law, x minus 1 is equal to 4. X minus 1 is equal to 4. Now you will apply this law. Okay? But it is not finished as yet. It will become x is equal to 5, because this x will be eliminated from here, like in our previous question, and it will be added over here like this. X minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1. Adding 1 on both sides, now this will be cancelled. X is equal to 5. Question number 3 and the last part is M. Mind it that the other questions are very easy. If you find any difficulty, you can ask in the comment box below. I will solve it to you and I'll let you understand. 4 minus x is equal to 1 divided 4, 64. This is just like the previous question I did. So it is, I told you that these questions are very easy. Piece of cake. You know, there are 6 twos in a row. 6 twos in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many fours we can get from here? 1, 2, 3. 3 fours we can get from here. So is equal to 4. 4 times 16. 16. 4 times 64. So when the bases are same, again the same law, when the bases are same with an equal sign, the bases are same, here it is 4, here it is 4, equal sign, all conditions satisfied, so x is equal to 3. So dear students, this was all for today, and I hope you would have understood the this last exercise. So it's time to say you goodbye. Allah Hafiz.